if you've gone through all the normal troubleshooting things like checking the pump and filter and the cleaner still isn't working, well, now it's time to roll up our sleeves and get inside and see what's going on. First thing you want to do is take off the access plate. This is the same plate you take off to remove any debris that might be caught up in there. Making sure that we get the chuck there. Here we go. These 3 screws come out real easily. Always remember to keep track of them. Taking out the intake cone. All right. And then we want to remove these 4 screws here. And this will lower the whole truck on our cleaner. Actually, it's actually the 2 screws. These long screws actually go straight through the assembly. So it cuts the time off. Now, we've got the lower portion removed, and we can start to look at the associated assemblies and see whether or not we got to repair something.